Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Harrison, and welcome to episode 8, I believe, of the RecyclerView Android tutorial. Now we're making the RecyclerView get data from Reddit's open API. We parse through the JSON data and we populate it into a RecyclerView. Where we left off, we just finished the whole JSON parsing, and we did that in the main activity, and we did that through an update list method. Now let's call that method in the onCreate function up above. Update list. So we'll finally, after this, we'll have a working application. Semicolon. Again, I'm just calling aw. We're gonna get the aw subreddit so we can look at some cute pictures of puppies and kittens and all that great stuff. Oh yeah, this aw, same variable right here. One other thing, let's go back inside the adapter and comment out some things. Let's go ahead and comment out this. Again, this is a web activity. We'll get to it in just a second. Comment that out, and let's comment out this as well. And no more errors. Go back to main activity. I'm just double checking. Let's go ahead and run this. I already have an emulator up right now. It takes me a while to spin them up, so again, I did this outside of the video. Yeah, let's click play and let's run this. It's building. I also have my Nexus 7 hooked up. Let's go ahead and do the emulator. I'm using a Nexus 5 API level 21. Okay. Show me the emulator. If there's any noise in the background, that's just gardeners. Is this running, or am I just listening? Goodness sake. Emulators are going to be the death of me. I'm going to rerun it. I'm going to stop. Oh god, did it just go? God damn it. Play. Here we go. And here it is. We got the aw subreddit to populate in a RecyclerView, very similar to a list view. You can scroll, things will pop up. Again, it'll work a lot faster on your device. These emulators are really slow for me, so it's just to show the functionality. Oh, look at this little guy chopping the gate. That guy is awesome. Cool. So again, you can see that the end of the scroller function is not in yet, so it stops at just the first 25. Let's scroll back down. But cool. I mean, you have it. And believe me, at any time, just go straight to my GitHub page and just get the code you need. Because this does, it's working for us, and that's awesome. But there's still some problems. You can't click them, so we can't see, what is, where that link wants to show us, or the link to that article. There's no black line dividing them, which is kind of just an aesthetic. So let's go ahead and add that black line, and maybe we'll do the web activity in this episode, maybe the next one, I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and just add the black line just for aesthetics, just for design. Go back, cool. Go back in here. What do I have to do now? Where do I add that black line? Let's go back to our Gradle. We need to add this. I might have added this outside of the camera, but let me just delete it and I'll re-add it. This is Yahoo. This is Troy. Troy put out a good album, actually. I like so. God, what do I have to look at? Let me go to my notes. Design line, I think it's line divider. Is this what I need? No. Let me just check it out. Yes. I'll provide a link to this in the description. But yeah, this is the flexible Android divider. I don't want to go to a straight GitHub page. I don't like that. Android flexible divider. It's actually an awesome tool set that he provides. So again, I'm grabbing this dependency right here. Let's go ahead and grab this dependency. Where is my application? Here we go. Compile product. Awesome. Now we can go back into activity. Oh, let's sync the Gradle before. Always do that if you ever add to the Gradle. You gotta sync it so the project knows what you're working with. Let's go back to main activity. Under this recycler view, let's set up a little quick design. And there's a lot of designs you can go off it or make with this. Make with his calls, which is awesome. So definitely experiment, try new things, and definitely make this yours. Android Studio. Yeah, now let's go ahead and use it. I believe this is all I have to do. RecyclerView dot add item decoration. New horizontal divider item decoration. Dot builder. No. We don't want that. Builder, this dot color. I'm gonna be boring and just choose black. You can choose blue. Again, there's so many different options with this flexible divider. It's honestly awesome code. Build. Now let's run it. See if we get a little design. Little line in there for us. And you'll be taking out the line. Like when we convert it to card view, we won't want the line. But again, I'm just really trying to mimic list views as best as possible. God, this takes so long. I don't know what prevents it. Mother of Lord, what just happened? Should we listen to some Fetty Wap while we wait? Let me just stop it and rerun it. I don't know. Awesome. So now you can see that there's that line in there, that black line that kind of distinguishes row after row. And I know you could probably tell earlier, but you can see that the placeholder image comes up before the image. Again, it's just holding its place while the image loads. Again, it should be a lot faster on your device. And that placeholder image can be whatever you want. And that placeholder image will stay there as long as, and if there's no picture being pulled, that placeholder image will stay there. Let's get out of that. That's good. So what's next? Should we jump into the WebView activity? Let's do that. Let's do that and complete this. I'm just gonna uncomment it out. let's go ahead and make the web view. It's not difficult to do, so it shouldn't take too long. We're going to call it WebView activity. This is going to extend the fragment activity. Private WebView equals WebView. No. Alt enter. Get those imports in there. Private static final string URL tag equals URL. Now let's launch the intent. Public void onCreate bundle save instance bundle saved instance state super dot on create save instance state semicolon. Now the intent equals intent equals first let's import alt enter get intent string post URL equals intent dot get string extra URL tag WebView equals new WebView this did I do something wrong? Why is this red? Intent. Okay, that's why. There we go. Hopefully you did not make that mistake. I am just a mistake ball rolling down Mistake Avenue. I'm just a mess. I am just a mess. WebView dot get settings dot set Java script enabled true. It's gonna enable JavaScript for us. Final activity equals this. Oh, let me get this out of the way. So now we're going to launch this inside the application, so it doesn't like launch the browser outside of the app. And WebView.set WebView client on received error. Let me see what's going on here. No, that's all right. New WebView client, curly braces, public void on received error. God, get out of the way, flipping sake. Received error, WebView. WebView view, integer error code, string, description. String failing URL, curly braces. Toast.make text. Activity description Toast. A toast is something that, you know, appears, I guess text that appears over the activity, and it'll just be there to showcase that there's a like an error. Dot show. Cool. And then after that, just two more things. We want to load that URL. WebView dot load URL. Post URL. Set content view. And WebView. Semicolon that bad boy. Bad boy. Awesome. But we're not done yet. Let's go here. We'll have to look in that later. But very, very important. Let's go down to our manifest. And we're gonna have to add in that that the web activity is something that we're using. I believe each new activity you need to declare in the manifest, just so they know, you know, what's being passed in and out. You know, what you want the application to showcase. So here we go. Activity. Android name. WebView activity. Yes, I want this. WebView activity. And above that, let's go Android label. And let's give it a label of WebView. Actually, let's put that down below. I don't know, I'm picky. Is this freezing up on me? Android Studio, what? And get out of that. Cancel out the activity. And there we go. Now the manifest knows that we want to use this activity, that we're going to be passing things to it, and we want you to launch it when we give you permission. Now, why am I not? Should this be WebView activity class? I think we're good. Let me just double check some things. Where's my adapter? Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, so I had a typo in there. So yeah, WebView activity. I think we're good to run. So let's go ahead, rock it, and then we'll see when we click the view holder where it launches to. Play. I'm gonna play it through the emulator. Once everything syncs. Next is 5. Then we wait. We wait patiently. We wait for them to come. Just wait. I like waiting. Waiting's the best. God, just go. Just pop up. Just give me what I want. Emulators on Macs work really well. I had really good experiences with a Mac emulator. Awesome. It's populating. Come on. Sweet. Now the moment of truth. Can we click on this one and see it? Probably. Something's going on. It might just be really slow. It was just super slow. Let's see what it gives us. Awesome. Probably won't play the video, but you guys see that it kind of launches us to McGuire, and sweet. You can also drag around here. Awesome. Now we're launching web activities. That's what I'm talking about. Finally, like 8 hours in, we're doing something productive. I like it. I like it. Finally. But all right. But I think that should be about it for this video. We'll be next video. We'll make sure that when we click it, it'll change color to indicate that we clicked it. I'll figure out what we're doing, but we're gonna adjust it. We're gonna make an endless scroller as well. So maybe not in the next video, but maybe not. I'll plan it out. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video.